Hi everyone, I hope you're well. I'm back on this YouTube channel with the bags I have to sell for you. I have new amazing designer bags just for you today. I'm super excited. So here is the first bag that I have to sell. Stay until the end because I have an amazing bag that you all asked for. I finally get the bag. Finally found it. It was hard to find it for a good price, so stay until the end. We are going to start with the first handbag that I have, and I'm going to present it. This is a Lady Dior. This is a medium-sized pink color. We do have the strap for this one, so I'm quite excited because usually I do not have it, especially for medium. So the condition of this bag is actually very good. We do have a very nice color on the outside. Handles are very, very good. I have nothing to say about the handles, actually. The hardware is silver and it's a little bit rusty, but it's fine. Like, it's not a brand new bag. We do have like the Dior here, contouring the color and the corners. Corners here are very good. Under the bag, we do have like few little marks, but this is not a brand new bag, so obviously. On the sides, it's very, very good, actually. I'm quite impressed because the condition is so nice. Corners here are very good. And also here, very, very nice. This is insane. I would say that the color is a little bit darker on this side, probably against the clothing, but otherwise, such an amazing handbag. This is a medium that has the zipper one, so it's quite nice. And the inside now is a gray linen fabric, gray fabric, yes. It has a very, very good condition. Also, the zipper pocket is amazing. I do have the sticker that is here that starts like the Christian Dior Paris made in Italy starts to vanish a little bit. We do have the serial number. We do have everything. The bag is exceptional. And we have, what? The price is so low. The price is 1,950 euro. I will add on the screen the USD price. You can find this bag and buy it on my website. This is so low for Lady Dior. I will always try to make the best prices. That is all for this baby. Let's go for another bag that I want to show you, or an accessory. I don't know. Maybe an accessory. Okay, let's go for this little pouch. This is a pouch from Celine. This one is just amazing. I just received it. This is a Triumph Canvas pouch. This is actually a big pouch. This one has like the little attached just here. You have a pocket there, and you have another one with the zipper just here. Condition inside is very good. You have little stains on the inside. You will be able to see it on photos. The leather is perfect. I love it. You don't have damage or whatever. And you have a larger pocket here. This is my price tag that's going inside. You do not have any stain, and we do have also a zipper pocket on the inside of the pouch that is also very good. We have the Celine stamps here, serial number. Everything looks gorgeous on this one. I'm quite impressed. You love this type of pouch. Inside here is leather, and the price, the price is amazing. The price is 210 euro. This is insane because this is one of the best I got so far. So here it is. Okay, oh, I know what I can show you because this is insane. This is the very first time that I find one for me, for the website, actually. This is a Métis bag. So this one is a very special one because you have patches on it. I love it. This is so unusual. I have seen it maybe 1 or 2 times only. And let me tell you, I love it. This is a very good price, and because this one is a special one. So this is a monogram one, but with patches. This one is a velvet one. This one is printed. This one is sewed. This one is white and red, but it's a little bit dirty, I would say. And this is print. This is an amazing one. Condition is good, very good. The leather is tanned. It was used, okay? It was used. It's not a brand new one. Tanned also here for the leather. You have little scratches on the hardware, but still in a very good condition. The strap is amazing. You can it's adjustable. So this is what I like about it. I do have it also. I do have the Métis bag for myself also. And this is one of the bag I wear the most because this is very comfy. This type of bag, you can wear it forever, your entire life, because this is a bag that I see, for example, wearing myself right now, and also in 20 years, in 40 years, everything. So here you have the zipper pocket. The hardware starts to tarnish a little bit. This is usual on the Louis Vuitton bags. I have, so inside for this one is pink. Yes, usually it's red, but these special limited editions are pink inside. Amazing, I love it. You have little stains of pen, I think pen marks. I do have like the serial number just here. Love it, love it, love it, love it. We are going to open it together. It has actually a good, very good condition, I must say. We have 3 different pockets on the inside. It's huge. You have one here, one large here, and another one on the front. Condition is actually very good. You have some little dirt inside, but it's nothing that big. You have some little stain, but it's very, very, very little. And the price, no, the price actually is amazing. The price is 1,780 euro. This is an amazing one. This is a very good one. This is gorgeous. I love it. This is amazing. I hope you will enjoy it. I hope you will buy it because this is a good bag. Okay, now let's talk about another bag that I received. This is a huge one. We have a Keepo size 55 with the strap. We do have tag name, the attach for suitcase, padlock and keys, because usually I don't have the keys. But this is a very good one. Price is lower than usual, depending, because the condition is good, very good. I would say good because leather is tan and a little bit stained. You can see here, for example, you can see little stains on the bottom of the bag, but obviously, because the bag, usually you put it on the floor. This is like a travel bag, so you can use it a lot. You have a stain here. This is usually water stain. This is like usual on this type of travel bags. Here's okay, and the strap is actually very good. We have stains, but you know, this bag was worn like a couple of times, and you will wear it too. This is a bag that you keep forever. Like, my family has some, and we use it all the time. Even Vincent, my partner, had one. And I'm really seriously considering buying one, but Vincent has one, so for now we are okay. We're not traveling too much, but for weekend getaways, these are perfect. Handles are fine, and on the inside, like, hardware is a bit used, and I believe on the inside is very good. I'm not sure you have little stains, but I think it's good on the inside. I will let you check. I let you check the photos, everything in the description of this video. You can buy directly on the website and check photos and everything. But this is a very good one, and the price is 750 euro, which is amazing. Let's continue now with a very beautiful Bottega bag. This is the second time that I had a Bottega bag. The first one was a blue one, exactly the same, but in blue, amazing. And right now I do have the black one. This is the most classic one. I love it. These ones are amazing. Quality of intrecciato leather is gorgeous. Condition is amazing for this one. I'm checking only the corners because usually it's the corners that are a bit used, but this is insane. Corners are as new. You only have like one scratches here, you have like a little stain, but it's very, very little. And on the inside, you have a kind of pressure. It's not pressure, but it's working to close the bag. You do have this if you want to add a pouch or whatever that you want. Inside is actually very good. You only have like something was stained a little bit the bag on the inside. It's very little. I don't know if you'll be able to check. And you have a zipper pocket that is very good. I'm so impressed. I love this bag. I think like next year it will be on my wish list because this is a very simple bag, quite luxury, not seen everywhere, and it's a very, very good size. Price for this one is 950 euro. Okay, let's go for something else now. Okay, something else that I have here is a small accessory. This is a small Louis Vuitton Agenda PM monogram. Condition is very good. You only have on the front a little stain here. Pressure button is a little bit scratches, as usual for these ones. Inside now is very good. I do have my price tag here, but inside is very good. I will also link in description of this video a link for inserts to put, like, if you want to buy a to-do list, agenda for putting inside this, if you already have it or not. Price is amazing. Price is 170 euro. I know, very, very low. Let's go for another one. And that is here. Ta-da! First time that I have this type of bags from Celine. This is a Triumph Canvas bag from Celine, a tote, I would say, with leather details. So this one is gorgeous. This one is quite insane. You do have little water stains on the bottom, but as per usual for this type of bag with a base, leather base, like the Louis Vuitton's one, but this is still very good. Even corners are quite good, a little bit rubbed, but very little. Otherwise, this is amazing, amazing, amazing. Like the handles are very good. You have like the little Celine up zipper just here. Let's open this together. So the inside of the bag now is gorgeous. It's leather inside, very good condition. You have a zipper pocket that is quite gorgeous and another pocket that is here. No, this is perfect. Huh? And the price now also is perfect. It's 345 euro. Okay, that is all for today. I ship from Europe, but I ship worldwide. Europe deliveries are free, usually. We ship with insurance, of course, transport insurance. We do ship worldwide. We do ship to the US, UK, Canada, everywhere. La Réunion, Martinique, Australia, everywhere. So be free if you have any questions. You have a website just here or down below in description. And thank you so much for watching this channel. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you on a more classic video on Sunday. Bisous, bye bye, see you soon.